Differences between cross and isolated modes. Cross mode. Margin sharing. In cross mode, your entire account balance acts as collateral for your open positions. This means that all the available funds in your account can be used to prevent liquidation of any open position. Risk management. This mode helps manage risk by using the available balance to cover potential losses across all positions, reducing the likelihood of a position being liquidated. Leverage. Cross mode utilizes the leverage across your entire account balance, which can be beneficial for experienced traders managing multiple positions. Isolated mode. Individual position margin. In isolated mode, each position has its own allocated margin. This means the margin you set for each position is isolated from your overall account balance. Risk management. Losses are limited to the margin allocated to each individual position, providing better control over the risk of each trade. Leverage. You can set different leverage levels for each position, allowing for more precise control over your trading strategy and risk exposure. Accessing cross and isolated modes on EXOLO app. First, tap on Futures from the bottom menu. Open the EXOLO app on your mobile device. Then tap on the Futures option located in the bottom menu to open the Futures trading interface. Second, tap on Cross or Isolated button from the top left. Then on the Futures trading page, locate the Cross or Isolated button in the top left corner of the screen. And tap on this button to view and select between cross and isolated modes. By understanding and selecting the appropriate mode, you can better manage your risk and trading strategy on the EXOLO app. That's how simple it is. That's it! You are all set to start using EXOLO Exchange. Feel free to reach out our support team.
Secure your crypto journey with EXOLO.